all get the occasional breakout, but sometimes those breakouts can leave scars. I'm going to show you how you can conceal those acne scars with makeup. I'm Kelly Mashbitz, your Tampa Bay beauty expert. So here we have some blemishes, and most acne scars are red in coloration. Now, if you're going to be applying a foundation over the top of your concealer, you could use a green tinted concealer. Green counteracts the red, and then apply your foundation over the top of that. But what I recommend most often is to find a concealer that matches your skin tone as close as possible. And I would suggest even going maybe one shade darker, because as we know, darker colors recede, lighter colors come forward, and you certainly don't want to bring out an acne scar with a lighter color. So I like these little squeeze tube cover-up product, and I'm just going to use a small brush, and I'm just going to tap it right where the scar is, the discoloration. I'll apply a nice little coat on everywhere I see a little discoloration. And then I'm going to come back, clean off my brush so I don't have any more product on it. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to feather out the edges around the scar where I've placed that concealer. And that's really what makes it invisible, is that you blend out the edges a little bit past where the discoloration is, so you can't see exactly where you've applied that concealer. So you can see how we've really covered up those blemishes on this side of her face. And you can go over it if you need a second coat. Now this is waterproof. Once it sets, it'll be good for all day. I do like to apply a little powder over the top or a little foundation. And that'll just kind of set everything and neutralize your skin tone. And that's how you cover acne scars. I'm Kelly Mashbitz, your Tampa Bay beauty expert.